Happy Diwali, guys.
Oh, happy Diwali, Sarmad.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Thanks for you. Thank you. Happy Diwali.
Thank you, Sarmad.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot, sir.
So let's give this.
Happy Diwali once again. Happy Diwali to our audience, our students. Last time you played without me.
Yes, sir.
Teachers Day, sir.
So Diwali is about
Games.
fun. So what are we doing today?
Why don't we have some fun? Diwali.
And as it is, you were not there on Teachers' Day, so let's play games.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some interesting.
Yes.
Fun issues.
Let's go.
Though darts has a very complicated system of scoring, we'll keep scoring this way. This number indicated will be multiplied into 1, 2, 3, 4, and the bullseye is 200 points. And we'll keep score, and you can see it on the bottom bar.
I'll go first now.
कर्नाटक की मान, कर्नाटका की शान, और ये श्याम सर का काफी अच्छा थ्रो। दूसरा थ्रो बेहतरीन, तीसरा थ्रो बाहर जाएगा।
Come on, sir.
Yes sir. Notes of the thumb. Take a photo and get the score. Take a photo of that.
I'm going next.
Finally.
Our winner.
नॉर्थ इंडिया के प्रतिनिधि और काफी अच्छा प्रदर्शन। वेरी गुड।
Come on, sir. Come on.
और ये बाहर जाते हुए धीरे धीरे और बाहर जाएगा ये। बहुत ही बेहतरीन। और हमारे सबसे बड़े प्लेयर इन टर्म्स ऑफ साइज। शाबाश। वेरी गुड। 0. I can't see the ball. I can't see the card.
Come on, Abhishek, sir.
Oh, what? Oh, very nice. धिक्कार है उस प्लेयर पे जो 50 मिनट ट्रायल किया।
What's the score?
And our representative from southern part of South Karnataka.
I'll go next.
Yes, Chetan sir. Howda, beautiful. Nice. Very good, sir. Go and tip the picture. And I go last.
Come on, sir.
I finish last as well.
Cyclone, sir. Tributary, sir. Tributary, sir. Left bank tributary, sir. Out of the ground. ये झारखंड में गिरा।
दूसरा भी फेंकेंगे because of the elections. तीसरा फेंकेंगे वेस्ट
Come on, sir. Come on, sir. Come on.
सर बाहर वेस्ट बंगाल।
Come on, Mukhay, sir.
20.
Before we move ahead, a small message from us. On behalf of Unacademy, we wish all of you a happy Diwali. And as we celebrate Diwali, Unacademy is giving you one more reason to celebrate. Our UPSC subscription is now available at 17,999 for 12 months. Use the code available on your screen, get to learn with India's top educators, and make your IAS dream a reality.
Since it's Diwali time, it's the time for sweets. So let's play the game, Guess the Mithai. 1, 2, 3, and let's bring our first contestant. And please remember, the contestants would be blindfolded. They will be tasting 5 sweets from across India and they need to guess which sweet they are eating. So let's see if our team can crack this. So we have our first contestant, Sarmad sir. Sarmad sir, let me place you at the contestants stand. So in front of you, there are 5 sweets.
Okay.
So let's see if you can guess. Let's see if Sarwan sir gets this. Oh, this one's a little messy to eat.
Giver.
Oh, good one. Yeah. What's your guess?
Champakali.
Very good. The Bengali sweet. We are done with the Rajasthani sweet as well. Now let's go for the third one. What does it taste like? The texture? Any clues?
I've tasted this, but I can't recall the name. Any guess?
You have tasted this at one of your favorite dosa places in Bangalore.
CTR.
Yes. And the primary base is a nut.
Is this halwa?
Correct? It's a type of halwa, but what type of halwa?
No, can't guess.
This is badam halwa.
Badam halwa.
Yes. Okay. The fourth one. This I think you should be able to get.
Kalakand barfi.
Oh, good one. This is Ajmeri Kalakand. Now the last one. The hint is this is a combination of 2 types of sweets.
Malpua.
Okay, what type of malpua? It's a combination of 2 sweets.
I could taste only one.
One is malpua, correct? What is usually added on top of a malpua? Rabdi.
Rabdi.
It's a rabdi malpua.
Okay.
Yeah. Very good. So Sarmat sir guessed 4.5 sweets out of 5. Now let's bring in our second contestant, Sham sir. Sham sir, you need my help?
Yeah, sir. अरे भाई इतना सन्नाटा क्यों है?
So Sham sir is blindfolded.
Ah,
Sir, so there are 5 sweets in front of you.
okay. Which is the first
And
one,
I'll
sir?
help you out.
Ah.
So, I mean, you have to guess. Why
Okay.
will I tell which is the first sweet?
This is sweet?
Yeah. It's a little hard to break. Maybe if you're
Okay.
comfortable, try to eat it with your hand. If you want clues, let me know. And let's see if you can guess this.
It is giver.
Very good. I think the texture gave it away. And where is giver from?
Gujarat or Rajasthan?
Rajasthan. Okay. The next one.
Balusha.
No. Let's try to eat it, sir. Eat it, taste it, savor it.
Can I get something else in khara, something of that sort?
You want a palate cleanser?
Bengali sweet.
It is.
I'm not able to recollect the name.
Very popular.
Yeah, I know.
It's a little unique compared to your regular famous Bengali sweets.
Sandesh?
No.
Did
you-
Champakali?
Yes. You should get it by the malai which is there in the center. Yes. Now the third sweet, I think
Something
this
in khara so that I can cleanse
there is
my
no
palate.
kara, sir. Only sweet.
So I'll have to eat in the right side of my mouth now.
I think this you should be able to get. I'm sure you must have eaten this.
No, not eaten. And moreover, my mouth is completely sweet now. So what
So
is
you're not
it?
able to make out the flavors. Sir, you have a weak palate then.
Yeah, I don't
Because
eat
the
too much of
flavors-
sweet. I don't eat too much of sweet.
Right. But this one, the flavor really stands out. There is a nut base in this.
Yeah, I know.
There's saffron, a lot of ghee in it.
No idea. I'm not able to recollect the name right now.
You want to have one more bite?
No. not anymore.
Okay, this is badam halwa.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, next one, the fourth one.
Kalakand?
Yes, very good. Again, I think the texture gives it away,
Texture.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, but I think for this one you need the spoon, Shamsa.
So tell me what is it then?
No, you tell and you guess. It's your chance to guess. Try to pick it up. It's actually a combination of 2 sweets. That's one clue I can give you.
I think it is Malpua.
Very good.
Yeah.
But what's the other one? I told you it's a combination. So what's the other sweet?
what is the combination?
Usually, what's the combination with malpua? It's given as a topping.
Yeah.
Ah.
Mango?
No. That does not taste like mango, sir.
But where is the combination? I'm not able to get the combination now.
What's the flavors you're getting? Apart from the malpua,
Khova.
correct?
Yeah.
But
But apart from
what's
Khova,
the
I've not
dessert
got
sweet
no.
you can think of on the lines of kova, dairy based, very creamy in its texture and consistency? Okay, that's a rabdi.
Rabdi.
So
okay.
you get half the point.
No.
You
Full.
get half the point for that.
Full.
You missed.
I'll eat completely, so give me full marks.
You eat all the sweets. So Sham sir
Yeah.
gets 3.5 out of 5. Now let's bring our next contestant, Mukesh sir. So our third contestant, Mukesh sir, and Sham sir tells me Mukesh sir is used to wearing blindfolds. I don't know why. Okay. So Mukesh sir, there are 5 sweets plated in front of you.
Where are the plates?
I'll be helping you out. Don't worry. So
Acha.
here you go. This is the first one.
This
and-
is the first one. By the touch and the feel of it, is it Ghevar?
It is very good. And where is Ghevar from?
Rajasthan.
Good.
So should I?
You should taste it.
Okay, I thought that I'll.
Okay.
It's
Now
good
moving on. Next.
Hmm.
I think it's better you use your hand or it's better you use a spoon if you're comfortable.
Okay, so
Ah.
something of sort of rasgulla or something.
Let's see. You taste it.
Ah.
If you want a clue, ask me. I'll try to provide some hints.
Okay, so have I taken? Okay, I need a bigger.
You need a
bite.
bigger bite.
Yeah.
This is slightly tricky one. So think before answering.
It is Malai sandwich or champakali.
Yes. Very good. Very good.
Yeah.
Okay. Next.
This is one of the favorite sweets.
Favorite sweets?
Yeah.
There you go. Third one.
So, okay. Please bear with me. It is some sort of a halwa of sorts.
Correct. What type of halwa? Be very specific.
Is it the Bombay halwa?
No, it's not.
It is that kind of a rectangular kind of a thing.
What flavors can you taste?
I can taste saffron.
Correct. Very
of
good.
all.
The saffron is pretty strong in this.
Yeah.
And okay, one hint is it's nut based. It's a nut based halwa. Very
Badam-
rich.
badam
very,
halwa.
Very good. That's a badam halwa. Next, the fourth one.
Okay. If I'm not wrong, by the feels of it, in North India you call it milk cake as well, but
Yes.
it is also in here in Bangalore you get it as Ajmeri Kalakand.
Yes.
Yes?
Very good. Perfect. That's Ajmeri
Perfect.
Kalakand. Now coming to the last one. It's slightly tricky to eat. It's actually a combination of 2 sweets.
The voice is coming from
Sham
that
sir,
side.
Sham sir is observing and monitoring whether it's a free and fair contest.
I am scared to spill it on the kurta.
I know, no, you won't. Or use your hands. You can anyways
my God.
wash it.
Oh, it's too thin to be a shahi tukda. It's a malpua.
Okay, but I told you it's a combination of 2 sweets. You have to get the exact sweet.
I get the flavor of rasmalai as well in this. But
Usually, what's the topping for a malpua?
malpua, there are various different types of topping.
No, but by the taste, you can.
Rabdi.
Yes, very good. It's Rabdi Malpua. Very good. So Mukesh sir scores 5 on 5. Now we have our 4th and final contestant. Abhishek Mishra sir. Sir, one more step. This is fine, sir. Now there are 5 plates in front of you. All
Like
the sweets
this
are
or like
plated.
this?
I'll help you, sir. Don't worry.
Right.
Because I saw the other contestants struggle. So it's better I help you out.
I hope you're
So,
not giving.
this is the first one. Let's see if you can guess this. I'm sure you must have eaten this.
Well, Ghevar.
Ghevar, very good. Next, the second one. I think we should have made a rule to not use hands. What is
we
the
call
exact
cham
name?
cham? Cham cham.
No, cham cham is different.
Malai sandwich.
Cham cham doesn't have malai.
Malai
Sandwich.
sandwich. Malai
What's the other popular name for it?
No idea. Don't make it a quiz.
No, that is you have to. It is a quiz. It is not malai sandwich.
If it,
It is slightly different.
Champak Lakshmi.
You're almost there. I'll give a hint. You're almost there.
I have ordered this off Kanti Sweets.
Ah.
Champaka Lakshmi. Give me the first word.
First word is correct.
Champak.
Okay. You get half a point. It's Champakali.
Champakali.
Ah.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
The third sweet. There you go. This, I'm not sure if you have tried this.
This is Mysore Pak.
No, it's not Mysore Pak. Then you've not eaten a Mysore Pak.
How is it Mysore Pak?
Sir, I am the one blindfolded, sir.
International. Where is the Pak?
I'm not sure.
What's the flavors you're getting? Okay, I'll give a hint. It's a nut-based dessert. There's one prominent flavor texture you must be able to get.
Peanut. I'm getting peanut.
It's not peanut.
I'm not sure.
Have one more bite.
Barfi. I pass on this. I have no idea.
Okay, this is
What
a
was-
badam halwa.
Okay. Oh,
Now,
badam.
fourth. This I think you should be able to get.
Oh, this is milk cake. Milk cake or kalakand.
Very good, but you should take a bite. So this is slightly messy to eat. You,
What is this?
it's a combination of two desserts. Let's see if you can get.
Coconut.
Where is coconut in that?
Pepper.
There is no coconut in that.
They're brown color sandwich type. Whether it's
Ah.
a slice brown color with a little bit of khoa on it. Again, don't know the name.
You don't know the name. Okay.
What is it, sir?
It is Rabdi Malpua.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow.
Okay.
Oh, can I?
So you got 1, half, 2.5. So Abhishek sir gets the lowest score. 2.5 out of 5. So the winner is Mukesh sir with 5 on 5.
I'm proud. Go Maharaj. Go Bihar. Go Bihar. Go Bihar. Bihar, Jharkhand. Chiti.
Ready.
The next game is Dumb Charades. We have two teams. Team 1, Abhishek sir and Sarmat sir. Team 2, Mukesh sir and Chetan sir. I'll be handing out the name of the movie to Sarmat sir. He will enact and Abhishek sir has to guess the movie name. Yes, sir.
90 seconds.
Yeah.
2 words. Hindi. Very old. First word. Pahad. Pope. This. King. King. Hindi. Raja. Raja. Second word. राजा हिंदुस्तानी नहीं. Second word. का तोड़ दिया आपने. ठीक है. So you have broken up first part of the second word. ठीक है. Second part of the second word. Crescent. Chand. Chand. Raja. Chand. Chand. ठीक है. You tell me the second word
seconds
first
more.
part.
How many seconds?
30 seconds.
So by now 25 seconds would be left.
Total 90 seconds.
Blue. नीला.
Wait.
पेट नहीं.
पेट दिखा रहे हैं.
South Indian. Strap.
You show.
No, I did not see it. Hara. So Raja Harishchandra.
It was visible, sir.
I did not.
Arey, sir.
The first
Very
one is
good.
over.
Very good.
And Sarmat sir team is the winner. Now, one of you, please come up.
Silent acting कर लो.
हाँ. He will do that only. I told you people.
You take the placard from him.
Words.
Sir, you take the placard from him.
Very old. First word. Wave. Pina.
Drunkard.
Pina.
Bear.
Blue. Pani. पानी जल बिन मछली.
Very good.
आगे क्या बोलो?
हाँ, जल बिन मछली and give me the fourth letter.
हाथ मत दिखा रहे.
नृत्य. Fifth letter. नृत्य बिन Last letter. Nritya Ben Bijli.
You are
Nritya Ben Bijli.
take it from him, sir.
Jal bin Machli, Nritya bin Bijli.
Yes, very good.
So here goes, sir.
How many words? One word. Hindi. Very old. Very old. Cut. First part. Dead.
Pasi.
Mar. Mrityu. Mrityu dand. Mrit. Mrit.
Hey, he spoke.
Mrit.
It's okay.
Mrityu. Mrityu data.
Yeah.
Good one.
Very good.
That's it. Oh my God.
I told these people. कहाँ सुनते हो? हाँ?
जाइए.
Okay, sir.
I was telling them, you people are giving one word. They have given a paragraph. Ready?
Yes, sir. My pen and
Sir, wait, sir.
He doesn't require a mic. He is a born actor.
I will do silent.
Sir, 1 minute.
Alamara.
Huh?
I'm
Hey,
very
Raja
Ready?
Harishchandra was the first movie, na?
हाँ. Forget that. For you.
हाँ.
Ready?
हाँ.
So.
How many words, sir? 1 word. Hindi.
We got the
Recent. New.
Recent.
Okay. Hero. Shah Rukh Khan. हाँ. Heroine.
There is no heroine in this.
Okay. No, heroine. हाँ. Second one. Cloud.
Bapping.
New Shah Rukh Khan movie.
शाहरुख खान बोल रहे हो. शाहरुख खान.
New Shah Rukh Khan movie.
New Shah Rukh Khan movie.
Donkey.
वो सेनाई पेनिनसुला वाला.
Before that. हाँ.
Sir, Abhishek sir.
What is that, sir?
Clouds.
Rasta. Journey. Chak De. Before Chak De. Swades.
Yes. Great guess. Great guess.
One word. Hindi. Old or new? Oh, very old. We're breaking it. First word. First part. Swimming. नहीं. खेत में गए हो आप. खेतों नहीं खेत ऐसे मत बोल चुके. इंग्लिश में फार्म. द लश ग्रीन्स. पैस्चर्स. लश इंग्लिश में पैस्चर. ग्रासलैंड. ग्रास.
Pampas.
ठीक है आप सेकंड वर्ड बताओ. आई विल फिगर इट आउट. सेकंड पार्ट बता रहे हो.
How much time left, sir?
1 minute is over.
1 minute is over.
Yeah.
Over. You dead. उठ गए. Resurrect हो गए. So हिंदी में उसको बोलते हैं वापस आना. मृत्यु जाता नहीं. अमर नहीं उसको बोलते हैं
Sir, how much time left?
You are here.
15
Present.
seconds.
Present हिंदी में अभी का समय. अभी समय.
Amitabh Bachchan.
इंडिया पाकिस्तान. किस्तान.
That's it.
Time over. Time done. Time done.
Pakiza.
Oh. But then first part क्या?
Park दिखा रहा था.
अच्छा पार्क दिखाना तो सीन दिखा देते ना सर. मुझे ऐसे उठाने लगे तो मुझे लगा we know the third one.
But he will guess.
Keep it down. Keep it down.
No, I need it because it's so long.
ठीक है चलो.
Hindi.
Not sure.
How many words are there? 7. First word. Crown. Raja.
Hey!
This is why I'm saying that. Sir, you keep it. You keep it in. Again.
No, I need it for my.
But don't show it.
Just show it to me.
First one is
Time up.
smile. Raja, no, crown nahi. Book, padhna.
Good.
7 words are there. Visfort, explosion. Visfort, first.
1 minute over.
Time up.
If this is not Raja, then it is what?
Rani.
Bhagwan. No, second. Padhne wala. Padhna. Gyani.
15 seconds.
What is he doing?
That.
Ustad Amir Khan.
Kitab, no. Gyani.
Javed Akhtar.
Gyan. English,
Talking about
knowledge.
Einstein.
Knowledge. Wisdom.
Time's up.
No.
Time's up. 90 seconds. Can you please? Yeah.
Albert Pinto
Let
को
me show
किसने
you.
मारा?
What was the name?
नहीं,
given?
Albert Pinto को गुस्सा क्यों है?
Albert Einstein.
ये कब की मूवी है?
Sarma sir knows. Nasuddin
Like
Shah.
I said, so Sarmat sir team has given 2 correct answers, and same with Mukesh sir team as well.
So the tiebreaker was also a tie. So we move on to the next section because we can't go on like this. But a very interesting section. Everybody showed their acting skills. Let's move on to the next section. So finally, we reach to the last section of this fun-filled night, which is that we both are going to give to Sarmat sir, Mukesh sir, and Chetan sir a dialogue. They have to guess the movie. They will either clap or use a buzzer noise to tell us that they want to guess the movie. So we'll start with Shasham sir. Come on, sir. Ye dil mange more.
Captain Batra. Shershah.
But he won.
I clapped it. I said the name of the character as well.
He wins because he gets the chance to then give the answer.
I'll do-
Mukesh sir, come back. No, we are not biased. You sit.
Let's go to the next one.
Now Sarma sir will get to answer.
हाँ, the
Yes.
person who claps.
You have to clap
ऐसे
first.
करके clap करके आज का
No,
movie है,
we'll not.
है,
Mukesh
और
sir,
movie
we'll
का
not
नाम
let
है।
a Sheldon Cooper
सर,
happen. Don't worry.
आप जो है ना सर, आप
Ready? Ready? Third one. I'll deliver the dialogue now. बाप का, दादा का, भाई का.
Gangs of Wasipur, लेकिन शर्मा सर जीते। Clap तो ये पहले किया।
He did not
So
clap.
2 points, 1 point. No issues.
What are
I
you
will
doing?
just say one thing. Clap first. We will decide who did it first and
Okay.
then answer.
Much better.
Don't shout the answer. Don't shout. So this is the type of banter we have on a day-to-day basis.
जब तक बैठने को ना कहा जाए, शराफत से खड़े रहो.
Zanjeer movie, Amitabh Bachchan, Pran.
So let's move a little bit more contemporary so that the other millennials also have a chance here.
Gen Z.
Gen Z. Violence. I don't like.
KGF.
Yes, correct.
One Kannada.
You see, the whole country of the system is juxtaposition by the hemoglobin in the atmosphere.
Good. Nice, sir. Nice.
I'll repeat it again. You see, the
don't
whole
need it.
country of the system is juxtaposition by the hemoglobin in the atmosphere. Ain.
Clue?
Ain.
You try. Mukesh sir, you tried. Half clap. Come on, tell me.
नमक हलाल।
No. Anybody?
Munna bhai?
No. Amar Akbar
I
Anthony.
tell you. This is a song also. तो आपके पाँव देखे बहुत हसीन है, इन्हें जमीन पर मत उतारिए, मेले हो जाएंगे. Yes. Tick tick 1.
This is a very good movie.
Very good movie. Tick tick 2.
This is Amitabh Bachchan say?
I have no idea what that movie is also. So you lost your chance. Chetan sir, anything?
Which movie?
Pakiza.
Pakiza.
The one which was.
Push more, sir.
Ready? Very iconic. तारीख पे तारीख पे तारीख पे तारीख.
Damini.
Chetan sir.
I clapped first.
He clapped first, then him, then you. So it's Chetan sir. Sir,
You already answered.
Who clapped first? I clapped first.
Go ahead, sir.
Let the audience judge.
Go ahead, sir.
Sunny Deol, Damini. Meenakshi Sheshadri.
Yes.
Amrish Puri.
Okay. जब ये 2.5 किलो का हाथ
Ghayal, Sunny Deol.
Okay. Push more contemporary.
कोई देश
कोई देश परफेक्ट नहीं होता, रंग दे बसंती.
यस
Oh my God. Hidden talent of सरमत सर का भी. मैं उस बच्चे की आंखों का आंसू भी उधार नहीं रखता. मैं उस बच्चे की आंखों का आंसू भी उधार नहीं रखता.
आगे.
बस इतना ही है सर.
तो आप तो क्लैप
बताइए बताइए.
मोमेंट इज इट मैं उस
Good
बच्चे-
dialogue.
The movie is Rocky Hansen.
ओके वेरी आइकॉनिक. एक बार जो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी उसके बाद तो मैं खुद की भी नहीं सुनता.
Dabang Salman Khan. I clapped first.
Wrong.
वांटेड.
Yes.
Yes.
Overconfident, sir.
Thank you. I should not get this right. Make it fast.
How Josh? Hi, sir.
Uri.
He was first. Correct.
हाथ में लगा.
Okay, last.
वेरी आइकॉनिक मूवी अगेन. कहीं ना कहीं कोई ना कोई मेरे लिए बना है और कभी ना कभी मैं उससे जरूर मिलूंगी.
दिल तो पागल है.
Yes. So as we already know, Sarmat sir is the winner, but very
No, how
close.
would you know?
Because
Is this fixed?
no, most of we get a
on,
feel
man.
for it. We get a feel for it that he is winning. So
Oh my
thank you
God.
so much for
You're
watching
giving a
this
sense
video.
as if it was fixed.
Nothing is fixed. No match fixing happened. So everything was done in the right way. itself.
On behalf of Unacademy, we wish all of you a happy Diwali. And as we celebrate Diwali, Unacademy is giving you one more reason to celebrate. Our UPSC subscription is now available at 17,999 for 12 months. Use the code available on your screen. Get to learn with India's top educators and make your IAS dream a reality. Before we move ahead, a small message from us.